Check out this Buick 2022 Encore GX Essence. If you are looking for a first-rate auto, this one could be yours today. Some of the top features included with this vehicle are preferred equipment Group 1SL, 5.45 final drive axle ratio, 18 machined aluminum wheels, 18 aluminum with chrome inserts, leather appointed seat trim, ride and handling suspension, radio, 8 diagonal Buick infotainment system, power tilt sliding moonroof and experience Buick package. Low mileage is an important factor in your purchase, and this vehicle delivers a low odometer reading. Let us put you in the driver's seat today. Call or click to schedule a test drive.